In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your MetaTrader 5 account. If you've installed MetaTrader 5 and you're wondering where to see your account details, I'll walk you through the 3 easiest places to find them. Inside the desktop platform, in your broker's welcome email, and in your broker's online client area. Follow along, and by the end, you'll know exactly where your MT5 login number and server information live. First, open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. On the left side, look for the Navigator panel. If you don't see it, go to the View menu and enable Navigator so it appears. In that panel, expand Accounts. There you'll see your MT5 account number listed along with your broker's name, and often an indicator of whether it's a demo or a real account. Once you're connected, MT5 typically also displays your account number and the server near the top of the window or beside the MarketWatch panel. If MarketWatch isn't visible, enable it from the View menu as well. The key thing to remember is that the number shown under Accounts is your MT5 login. That's the identifier you use when connecting to the server your broker provides. Next, check the welcome email from your broker. When you open a new MT5 account, whether demo or live, brokers almost always send an email with your credentials and the exact server name you'll need to select in MT5. If you can't find it right away, search your inbox for phrases like MT5 account details, trading account created, or your broker's brand. Be sure to check spam or promotions folders just in case. When you find the message, save it somewhere secure and verify the email really came from your broker's official domain. Finally, head to your broker's client area on their website. After logging into your profile, look for a section labeled Accounts or My Accounts. This page typically lists each MT5 account you've opened, including the account number used for logging in and the server name to choose inside MetaTrader 5. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you note which is demo and which is real, and match the server name exactly as shown by your broker. To recap, you can confirm your MT5 account details directly in the desktop platform under Navigator, in your broker's welcome email, and in the broker's client portal under Accounts. Use these 3 checkpoints together to quickly identify your login number and the correct server, and you'll be ready to connect and trade with confidence.